This is a Tudor-style home design blends traditional elements with a touch of modernity in its interior. Upon entering, guests are welcomed by a palette of serene creams, soft greens, and blues. The entryway, spanning 2 stories, showcases intricate millwork inspired by Tudor architecture. An antique entry table and a custom skirted entry console with a modern blush abstract art piece and an antique mirror add a unique charm. The space is impeccably finished with a stunning antique rug, tying the room together harmoniously. The family room ceiling was elevated to establish the area within the open-concept home, enhancing the perception of spaciousness. A coffered ceiling, along with an exquisite antique mantel and custom built-ins, were incorporated. Additionally, all millwork was painted in a consistent creamy white shade. Incorporating layers of textiles contributes to a visually appealing combination. The kitchen showcases a creamy French hood adorned with brass accents above a gracefully curved marble slab backsplash. Creamy cabinets with brass handles complete the elegant look. The master bathroom design showcases a sink vanity made of white wood, complemented by a marble vessel sink and a gray marble countertop. The family room has a moss green velvet sectional sofa embellished with pale pink cushions, complemented by a burlwood waterfall coffee table,